volcano?
Yes.
Oh. Wow.
Was volcano.
Hey guys, welcome to GD Musketeers. We are here in Costa Rica, and look what I get. A necklace, a crocodile necklace, and look where we are. We are here at this river where it's full of crocodile. Yeah, so we're gonna pay this guy for this.
You wanna say hi?
Costa Rica.
How much is this?
It's like $16 for the exchange. See, I work right here since 2019. So I've been looking all these crocodiles and cows, raccoons, all that stuff. See, they're not skinny, they eat a lot. A lot of people throw chicken because it's not allowed. So I said, don't do it because then it's not gonna work for their meal.
Yeah.
And please, when you come in here, don't feed a crocodile.
Don't feed him.
And pura vida. There you go.
Thank you.
We got over 6,000 crocodiles full. 80 kilometers full of them. And the big one is under the water.
And how big is the big one?
No, this one is 4 meters and a half,
Oh my god.
which is 15 foot.
Wow.
But the biggest from this river is 21 foot.
Hey guys, this is GT Musketeers in Costa Rica. Oh my god, it's amazing. This is our room. This is our suite. Beautiful. 2 good big king size bed. This is Terry right here. He's
Hi,
super
guys.
cool. He's super cool. He turned up the AC a little bit. Oh my god, look at this. Gorgeous. This is our luggage. This is like an office desk. This is our bathroom, the tub, 2 sink, nice walk-in shower. The shower, beautiful. Hey, Costa Rica is very, very beautiful. Look guys, look at this view here. Look at this view. Yeah, this hotel is in the mountain. Amazing.
Look who I have here. She is just
Hi, guys.
relaxing.
Yes, vacation is about all relax, and exactly what I'm doing. Get away from home and everything, just to relax. Hey guys, welcome to GT Musketeer Day 2 in this beautiful Parador Nature Resort. We just wake up in this beautiful, gorgeous place. Look at the sceneries, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at this. It's all nature. Beautiful, beautiful Mother Nature. Oh, this window is open. Tanuja and Terry right there.
Hi guys. Good
Tell
morning.
what you doing today?
We're actually going.
Lot of stuff we're doing today.
We're actually
Yes.
going to go to the beach and then plan a tour.
Hey guys, this is me in this very cozy area. Yeah, I'm walking my way to get coffee, guys. Hey guys, look, we are sitting here for breakfast at this coffee place back in the Lanai. It's so nature, plants and flowers everywhere. Look, Terry's right here. Hey guys, this is what I went eating for breakfast this morning. Omelette, bread, and nice potato. Some butter. Nice and put the butter, like a flour. Cheers. Hurry up.
Watch out, car. Look how steep this is.
Oh my god, look guys.
Whoa.
Oh, we gotta look at there's like houses under there, no? And right there is the beach.
The beach is right there, yeah.
Is this the spot to the beach?
Yeah.
Let's go.
No, not here, not here.
Oh my God, look
Well,
at this.
people actually live over here.
Yeah.
Imagine having a house here and just relaxing.
These people are so lucky to live right next to the beach. Look at this. I never see something like this before. Look at this. We are up here and look up under there. People live under here. It's like below in the earth where they find the foundation and build their houses and plant trees. Look at this beautiful flower. Hey guys, look, some monkeys in the tree. We are walking to the beach and we just see them over here. Look, they're right there on the wire, on the cable. Look, they were coming. Hello monkeys. Good morning. How you guys doing today? Hello. Here you are marching. The whole family is here, guys. Look. They're marching. Look, the little one left back there. Like so much of them. Hey guys, we are at the beach. Just sitting there. She's about to jump in the water. She's about to jump. That's Terry. Let me show you guys. Everybody having a fun time here. All the tourists. Look guys, that's Terry over there. He's like posing with his beach clothes and ready to make a jump in the water. Hey guys, look, we just eat water coconut. We peel it on the rock and then we crack it in the rock and look, we can coconut jelly. And we're feeding the iguana up there. I guess he don't like, oh yes, eating the coconut. Wow. Enjoy. Enjoy, look, we eat tanuja this. Tanuja. Come back from the beach and look, I just shower and look, I come to hang out at the lanai and look, we can see some cute monkeys. Look at them running and jumping. Look, over there. There's like 3 over there. And there's one right hiding back of the umbrella. There's like 1, 2, 5, 6 of them. Oh my God, amazing. Okay, just Sunday morning, we wake up a little busy from our resort veranda. Look, some nice maca sitting on the nuts. This is so nice. Oh. Hey guys, good morning from Costa Rica. Sunday morning, we just had breakfast, and now our activity for today is rafting. So here I have Terry and Tanuja. So we can give you all the excitement later. Right now we are in the bus taking us to the river. We're going to do all this activity. Alright, see you then. Hey guys, we are here in Costa Rica. We are going on a tour. We're going to raft today. I don't know how scary that is, but we stopped at this place here to just see. They just want to know what we want for lunch. It could be like a couple hours rafting, so it's very exciting to go rafting with Terry and Tanuja. So here we stop. We'll stop here for now. And then we will continue our trip to go to this river where we will be rafting. We're going to raft rafting. We never did this before, so it's very exciting and also scary. So I don't know how rough the water is, but oh my god, we stopped here to just try to get what we want to eat for lunch. So we told I will eat fried fish, then we're going to get grilled chicken. Terry going to get grilled chicken, right? Yes, so we are all excited. We are about to continue our trip to the river where we will do our rafting. Stop here at this restaurant. Hey guys, finally we are here. We're about to do rafting in this rafting river. It all looks so exciting. Look at this. Everybody here is going to rafting right now. So I don't think we can use the camera, take the camera, so we will just show you the beginning, how people do it over here. Look at the water. It's so much strong. It's very, very strong. Yeah, so I'm excited to do rafting with Terry and Tanuja. Hey guys, look, we're about to go rafting now, all ready in our life jackets. Yes, we are here at the river, the rapid river. Look at these two guys. Yes. Hey guys, look at this. Look at all these Shiva rock. Like Shiva rocks, they all grow. I think they come with the waterfalls, and they all grow here ages and ages ago. There's so much. The whole place is full of these kind of rocks. Hey guys, today was an amazing day. We do rafting and we had a wonderful time. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video from Costa Rica. Bye bye for now.